giving unsolicited advice on meals as an online fat loss coach. For his breakfast, meron siyang egg whites, banana with cinnamon. Hindi ko pa ito na-try pero I think this is a good combo especially for breakfast. Kasi may good source ka for carbs which are your bananas. Tapos protein, very lean protein galing sa egg whites, walang egg yolk. And may added flavor ka rin from the cinnamon which I think magandang combination yung banana plus cinnamon. So may sweetness element siya to your breakfast. So that's good. Next naman, I assume this one is a strawberry flavored whey protein. You have to be mindful lang sa whey protein. This is for everyone. Yung whey protein, it's a supplement, meaning pangdagdag siya. So, hindi dapat yung karamihan ng protein targets mo in a day nanggagaling sa whey protein. Dapat at least 80% manggaling sa whole foods. Next meal niya, the standard chicken rice with some sriracha. Good to, but I would add vegetables pa para may fiber tapos mas makulay, mas masayang kainin. Para sa panghimagas niya, meron siyang papaya which is a good source of soluble and insoluble fiber. So it helps you have better digestion. Good yan. Next meal niya is chicken breast rice ulit. Ang kagandahan talaga sa staple na yan, yung dalawang yan, is sobrang daling i-prepare and magiging predictable yung pag-hit mo ng macros if ganito lagi yung meal mo. But kailangan mo lang bantayan dito is yung umay factor. So make sure na kung gusto mo mag-stick sa chicken breast, hindi lang siya lagi fried or air-fried. Niluluto mo rin siya into different meals or into different ways para hindi siya boring kainin. For this one, I would make sure na siguro at least 100 grams yung melon since wala siyang vegetables and yung pinagkunan lang niya ng fiber for the day is melon and yung papaya. Overall, yung meals niya madaling i-prep so malaking factor yun when it comes to sustainability. Again, kailangan lang maging mindful sa different sources of protein para matanggal yung umay factor. Other than that, I would also add gulay. This one is good na may konting adjustments lang.